Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to hide apps and activity on Android using Work Profile. Let's begin. First, what's a Work Profile? It's a feature in Android meant for businesses, but you can use it to create a separate space on your phone with its own apps and settings. And yes, anything inside the Work Profile stays completely hidden from your main profile. So how do you set it up? Go to the Play Store and download an app called Island. It's totally free and safe. Install it, and once you open it, it'll guide you through setting up your Work Profile. Once that's done, you'll see two versions of your apps. One with a briefcase icon. That means it's running inside the work profile. Now here's the trick. You can move the apps you want to hide into the work profile. Want to hide WhatsApp, Instagram, or banking apps? Just clone them into Island and disable or uninstall the original from your main space. Or you can download it from the Play Store as well. And when you don't want anyone seeing them, just pause the work profile or delete it. Swipe down your quick settings and tap the work toggle. It'll shut down everything inside the profile instantly. No notifications, no app icons, no trace. It's like a stealth mode built into your phone, and don't worry, you can switch it back on anytime with a single tap. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.